everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the Virtual Print Driver. The Virtual Print Driver from Hyland offers you the ability to take a document from any application outside of the OnBase system and print a copy directly into OnBase via the thick client, the thin client, or the Unity client. We'll take a look at all three today. Where this could be useful if you've currently got any processes where people are printing things off only to later on have them scanned back into the system. This is a great tool to get rid of that. In addition, there are a lot of cases where you've got web pages, things of that nature that you also need to archive that typically don't save very well or print off paper-wise very well to be scanned later on. This is also a good tool for archiving those documents and pages. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to start off with the thick client here. I've got a session open. I've got a notepad document. It hasn't even been saved yet. This is just a text document. We'll say File, Print. You can see one of my options is the Hyland Software Virtual Printer. Now once you're at this point, the virtual printer has many of the same options as you would see in a normal printer. I can change from portrait, landscape, color, black and white. I'm going to leave the defaults for right now. We'll go ahead and say Print. And there's our import window. So what happened behind the scenes there was the Virtual Print Driver made a image copy of that text document and then signaled the thick client to say, hey, let's go ahead and import that copy. So now from here, this is just like any other file import. I'm going to pick my document type group, document type, enter my keywords, and click import. And we're done. Let's go ahead and take a look at that quick. Go find that document, say find, and there it is. Now again, it's an important point to make. The Virtual Print Driver does make an image copy of these documents when it brings them into the system. There are a lot of other methods and modules that will allow you to bring documents into OnBase directly in their native format. The virtual printer does not do that. It does make a copy. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this works with the Unity client. Let's go ahead and fire that up and log in. Similar to the thick client, what we'll see is with Unity client open in the background, still in my same text document, File, Print. Let's go ahead and actually change this to landscape this time. Okay, Print. Now same thing, in this case though, the virtual printer is going to signal the Unity client that it's time to import this document. So here we've got the Unity client import window. You can see it's different size this time, it's landscape instead of portrait. Now from here it's the same old story. Let's pick our document type groups. Pick our document type, index again, and say upload. Now Unity, if you would like it to, will actually show you a copy of the document once it's brought in, which it's going to do right here. And there it is. Close out of here. Last but not least, let's take a look at how it works with the web client. Let's go ahead and fire up the web client. Client is open, File, Print. Let's set it back to portrait. Say OK, Print, and there's our import dialog for the web client. So same story. Once you get this far, it's just like importing any other document. So let's pick document type group, document type, put our keyword in there, and say OK. All right. Let's do a quick retrieval. Just take a look at all three of those. And there's our three virtual prints, one from the web, one from the thick client, and one from Unity in landscape mode. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this today. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us at lbmctechinfo@lbmc.com or check out our website at www.lbmctech.com. We'd be happy to discuss this module or any others, show you a more in-depth demonstration if you'd like to see it, or just talk about how this might fit in your environment. Thank you.